Hello, my beautiful people, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings to you all from Reason Together TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time and wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please enable to hit the red subscribe button down below. Share with your friends, share with your family, and also turn up the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will always be the first person to be notified. This case that we are about to watch is a case of domestic violence. Please stay tuned as the defendant and the complainant make their statement for peaceful resolution. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed and bye for now. Ciao.
Okay, madam, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Okay, you will speak loud so that we can hear you. Concentrate here. Don't look here. Just look here. What happened, ma?
This my one I married.
Yes.
Since I married her, for the one before I marry her, I get 2 children.
2 children.
Yes, 1 boy, 1 girl.
Okay.
So when somebody bring her come,
Look here. I said, look me here.
when
Look.
somebody bring her come,
Yes.
I call her the person say, person when you bring, you tell her say I get children because I have no mother, I have no father, like I will create the children for. I said the people when I bought the children for, nobody say they marry me. They don't give me belly, they don't marry me.
The
So
12.
The 12 children.
Mama, look here. They look the here.
Okay.
No, they look there. I be make I carry the lawyer
No,
come
it's
from
okay,
here. Make
it's
it.
okay. So the person say he tell her. So maybe we can come talk. So I say okay. I think the person wey bring you come tell you say I have children. You have parents? He say yes. He get mother, he have no father. I say go ask your mother whether you wan allow you to
Shift the
marry.
chair. Come like this. Madam, not to you. I'm talking to you.
Okay.
All direct.
Say
Okay.
go ask your mother whether you wan allow you marry person wey get children before.
Yeah.
So okay, really go ask your mother.
That time you dey small.
I dey small.
How many years?
And let me say that can be 20 years.
Okay.
So, as he really come, me and say I go meet him, I confirm. The mommy say yes, he been a children in meet. I would say maybe no marry who born before. Now I marry her. Since I marry her, every small thing I beat. So I come to say, the wahala be this one.
Eh?
I come to say, I don't enter this one again a problem. The one I go before, they not marry me now. Don't enter the one I marry. No, they don't come again. I say, God, what can I do? So we begin to live. Any small thing I beat it, any small thing I beat it. So I call the born children. The children call me guests. They call the wicked me because of the born guests. So they beat me, will naked me for street for Benin Road, number 5. Everybody.
Which area be that?
Ojodu, Benin
Okay.
Road, number 5. By then, everybody knows us. They say when they beat me, they drop me for ground. I call God Obele, mercy. He carry woman come meet me for house. I not talk. Money wey he give me I pay if he come collect the money.
How much was that?
I not remember by then.
Okay.
So I come say, they carry woman come, I not talk. They say come take money when I want pay you food. I say, this one not go. So the person wey bring the woman come for her, he ask my daughter, where is your mommy? My daughter tell her say, mommy dey kitchen, is cooking. So the man come tell the girl say, him wife dey around o. They come carry the woman go the next building. So when I see say money wey he give me, come I say, wetin be this? They dey do am fast and I not talk. They say come carry am meet me, I not talk. Now the money wey they give me to you, they don come collect am. I say no, I no go bear this one. So now I come go meet her for the house where they carry am. When I reach, I come tell am say, oga, somebody dey look for you. He say no be now he comot for her house. I say they follow the second road because no be this road wey you pass. They no wan follow me. So when you no wan follow me, I come tell the girl say okay, shebi na you dey bring come from my husband, from my house. Now you come, make you come born Jesus Christ. Me I no fit born Jesus Christ. Make you come go marry. So I come hold the girl, I come grab am.
Yes.
So he come, when I grab the girl now, the girl come dey shout. I wan kill am, I wan kill am o. The girl come dey say, they don tell am before say if him wife will know am, say he go kill am o. He no believe. The girl come dey confess many things. I call her, no, you call us. I say, me, I not fit born Jesus, I mean, you call Bona. I deal with Bele. So we fight that fight. He go to police, he arrest me.
When the police arrest you?
This man. Okay. When they take police arrest me, they not put me for fair, they put me for kata. I sleep station to daybreak with the Bele. Through that process, that Bele, before if I get Bele, 9 months I will deliver. A year, I suffer her. They nearly kill me. Because they were careful, they do prayer. God say accept me if I bother people. Now so they begin to do me, I just the being and say, if the people here and you buffer, and I know good. Now I tell the being and say, if you say so tell my landlord that time, my landlady, he don't let you know. If they tell me, say this people go, who not marry, they live life. You know what, if they kill you now, these children will live. I say, mommy, I don't get papa, I don't get mama. I don't throw it to people, I don't want to leave this. So now so we begin to talk, many people they give their advice. I say I don't want to live with these children. Now some people they live, me I not call you too much of story. Everything beat and this month beat it will make people say, if they call me a shower, I say a shower. I say, God know me more than myself. I say we are for the come from Edo State. That is abomination. If you do that way, you don't marry. Either you affect you, or you affect your husband, or you affect the children. I say I cannot do that. Why they accuse me for waiting and not get for a man? Every time I say they call me Ashawo winch. Now so all those problems they every day quarrel, every day fight, but they beat me. And they bear and they come. So they we can't go back, go my way. So when we can't go my way now, it begin to do them again. And it's more than Ashawo, and it's more than Ashawo say, you know where we're from, because even though we're Lagos, we know they forget our tradition.
Face me here.
I said, all this way you're calling me, I don't get that mind. And then my family, nobody will don't marry, will don't do. And I will not start in my family. So let me say, last Sunday, April, this the time of COVID-19, you get a dome meeting where they do for movie. So we used to do every last Sunday in a month. So see, because of the COVID-19, the challenge because you know we not dey wear uniform. You can wear anything when you get come. Now that day, you know say I used to go meeting every Sunday. Not be saying a stranger. So that day, my junior brother come my house. Here my junior brother they enter motor. They go my senior brother house.
Madam, they look me here.
Here my junior brother come enter motor.
You won't make her because of you send this person go outside.
No. So if with my junior brother, they come go my senior brother house. So later I come back, I come out. When I come off, I stay for Mowe. I stay from Boston. And they wait for Keke Mara or Okada. I call they say, if I don't see Keke Mara, I can follow Konakana, reach where they go. I stay home, I don't see motor. We'll be 3 in number, but I don't know the 2 people where we'll be together. When we don't there for bus stop, and I want motor call pass, the motor na police motor. He pass, he stop for front, I don't know. So when we start now, so the 2 people by my side come to me say, Madam, now you that motor they talk. I say, I don't know I'm the motor sister of me, I don't move. So when the people come tell me for the talk, I say, Madam, maybe the person know me. Now me, let me go look her. Now really they walk towards the car. As they walk towards the car, me I look back, my junior brother motor they come. So before I reach where the man they say come park in front of the car. As they park, I call them and say, good afternoon. Can I help you? He say you want to help me. I say, help me for where? He said, Shebi, you are going. And I said, no, I'll go the next bus stop. Say, I not go for. He said, enter, make you drop. I said, no, I don't know you. I cannot enter. Now the man said, sorry, man. He move, he go. I can't track, he go midday. My junior brother say, where are you going? I say, I they go inside here, they go meeting. He say, yeah, you know that way you want to follow. I say, I don't know him. He just stop. He say, you want to carry me? I say, I'm not the enter. They can't go, me I can't go where I did. When I come back in the evening, for the challenge of the meeting, like the town woman, he used to give me cola giver. I can't enter. When I enter now, he gave me a do from opposite our house. I enter, he come follow me enter. Where are you coming from? I say, I go meet. I can't greet one of our members where he break leg. He say, liar, liar, Ashawo, Ashawo. I said, Ashawo, not be that man you follow go. I say, wait till be this already. I say, Baba Vivian, I don't know what they talk. See cola, can't take cola when your sister give me, may I give you. So, he say, you know, they take that way, take follow another man go. You want killer, you want make him die. For today, he will not chop a food. He will not live here. I thought of say, na wetin e dey do na e dey suspect say another person dey do am. Maybe you dey carry woman wey dey husband house, that's why you dey suspect say maybe person dey carry your wife. Come talk like how dey enter house. I come say wetin this man dey talk every time go dey call me asawo. Okay. So he last girl come dey talk say this baba dey talk since he dey answer wetin happen he no tell am. I say he don dey talk since say yes. I say I no follow anybody na meeting I go. I say Victory the time when I come over where I tell you say I dey go he say meeting. I say okay. He come talk say one of the town person wey we live together that one tell am say na meeting I go. He say na lie no be meeting I go. Say me I follow man comot. I no know wetin he talk before I come. So when that project come dey go na me I come dey last month I say wetin this man dey talk sef. He go just dey talk he go dey forget our tradition. You know talk. So small time he get in my last day come talk say mommy if phone don off he wan go buy for 200 make him take charge phone. The mommy come shop this man don start me no come dey beat you again. Now I really follow my daughter I come go shop. When I come reach shop he get one outside woman wey dey fufu for his shop. Now I come say mommy they wan buy for me. I say I no get strength I no wan pound fufu this night. He say he don collect money finish you. I come to say okay. By then he don dey abuse me dey upstairs dey on top of the decking dey talk. So that my daughter afraid to come on again. Me say I come go inside house I go bring gas I no fit make fire. Me I put the small woman I tell the woman say na small wan pan I no wan pan many. I come bring gas I come put 3 fufu inside the pot. I tell that my pikin friend say help me light the gas. So the girl and my daughter come dey talk. Myself from up dey come. He tell the girl say you wey you are talking you know what happen. Na the lady say sir I'm not talking to you na me and Viti dey talk. Na so the girl look say give me gas. Give me gas. I say no I wan use gas I don't wan make fire. He say give me gas. Give me gas. Na you feel am. I say because na you feel am. Na you say me give am. I wan use am. Me I no dey feel. I say gas you say wey you say me I give you. No be person buy before they feel am. I say before you no dey feel gas. Na since I don dey sick. Na you come dey follow me dey feel gas. Na so he hold cigar he dey pour me with the gas and water. He come dey say daddy don't do this na. Gas e can explode na. You come dey pour water with him mama and a cigar up. If you go dey drag am. Na so he come dey beat me for his house shop. He go beat me and father will get up. Begin dey beat me.
Which shop? Where in the shop?
In front of our house.
Which area is that one?
Mowe. So he come dey beat me. Na he pikin come dey hold am.
What is the name of the street?
Unity Estate Road 2. Road of Father Road. Unity Estate Road 2. So na so he come dey beat me. When he don beat me, like pikin dey drag am, dey fall down, dey beat me. Now he begin to say daddy you know say mommy no well mommy wey dey live for door now you dey beat like this don't beat am again. Na so he beat me he come throw me to it.
How old is your daughter?
That my daughter is 20 years now. Be 20 years. So.
Is she the eldest? And she
the last girl. The last girl.
20 years the last girl. The oldest one is how many years?
30 something. That one don marry.
A girl?
A girl. I born 5 girl 1 boy.
Is she in Lagos?
Yes, he dey Alagbole. So na so the girl come dey say daddy you know say na mommy dey strong na person wey dey live for drug na you dey beat like this. So when he pikin come dey tell am he come throway us he come go say make na wait for me he come run go inside house. As he dey go inside house now I tell Viti say I no know wetin your power go bring o. Before we talk that one finish I tell my pikin say Lord o before we know cutlass for door gbo the mark of the cutlass wey wan take come kill me he tear am for door. As we don jam door I snap the picture dey my phone. Now I come run come out for inside the shop. Na so he follow me gate he come outside he begin dey beat me for outside. People for opposite us na outside person.
Bring her phone I want to see evidence of that door.
So now the man come dey say baba why you dey beat this mama you know condition of this woman na when you children dey run around for hospital every day. Now when don dey show me he come dey beat her don dey beat her. Na so if they do that they call her if they take her the person must kill me he will kill the pikin don just dey pursue me and fall. So one of the attack people dey come run come baba wetin be this na wetin be this na you dey make sure catch am for here every time you go dey do this for people dey gather you wey be elder na they suppose to come meet you go dey tell
them everything. They look me here mama they look me here. So
na the lady go dey say na every day Yoruba go come dey gather us dey settle our case he dey share. So na so he begin dey beat me. The man come dey hold am. Now I call the class say wetin be this? I come to say he don too well at all say I wan leave this marriage. Na my son He say make I not leave because I born girl. Say if I not stay now, the time my children will marry, they will say maybe my children no will stay for husband house as if their man no stay. Now he keep me like this. So now they very cutlass kill me. If I die, now the children will marry. Now I take phone, now I call my son. I say, see you. Now you say I'm not die for this marriage. If they kill me, you with this man up with this will kill me. If they kill me, if they, you carry me go my village, if they collect the body for your hand, you are lucky. I can't call his daughter. I say if your back kill me, you and your brother carry me go my village, they carry him from my hand. You are lucky. So I call the girl, I say, what thing I do? Me, and I know where I'm from come. You know they do that if I do it will affect me all children. I call the girl, then people go to say, Mama don't cry, Mama don't cry. People go to talk.
Show me the this.
Now people go to say, woman where they waka, they will know and this mama where they waka. So people go to talk.
I don't see where the cutlass cut on.
See, I be this one. So people go to say, Mama, don't cry. Tell the woman where they waka, they will know and not be you, Mama. Mama they waka. Me I don't listen to my guy. Now so the matter do. I'm not call the task.
You can see where the cutlass cut the iron door, not even wooden door. Iron door. The force of the cutlass cut the iron door.
So now people call the talk. You go they say that this mama will be waka. This mama, woman where they waka, people know now. Not this kind of mama. I say men and see me. I say they call me every time I shower. I don't know when I because I don't born. Not be by born they say they do a shower. So I call
Now you with this.
The day where beat me last, where beat me with my face, my head, they blood, and I beat this. I say snapper. So now the matter do. If you don't know me call it house, I can't stay outside. So people call the same I say no. If I follow and go in a house, he will go fight on. Now me marry, I know the type of person will be. Anybody when I follow go house now, you will go do wala with the person. He used to do and I go for you do and alive. So I'm not really for them, I can't stay outside. So now my son call his sister. Say this mother they did their so say this baba don't start again, they beat our mama.
Now you throw away something here.
Now the time when they beat him, people they sleep.
Okay.
So now
People film the one where they beat him. They film him the day he was beaten. They have it here.
They don't know after he beat me finish.
Okay, go
They
ahead.
come, as my blood they rush from my mouth and my head, and they come snap. So now I can't stay. When I can't stay now, I say we are not going. Me I go Lagos. And I say town don't go. I don't feel me. I call the thing. I can't say the night I will call the thing. So that my father call. They say, Mommy, don't sleep us. So wait, don't take all of the portion. Don't sleep us. So you know what will happen. For where to sleep if you don't feel go Lagos again by this time. Let me release it. So they call that is last year. That was wrong. They call down. They made down and come meet me. Me will go from here with the go sleep. So food when I bring from meat the other used to cook food. I not they eat because they select food. I can't tell okay, wait till these people go eat sleep now. Now I can't carry the food. I tell my daughter, I say, don't come. You know say will kill us. So maybe if you see you as a devil, will feel you. Now me I task. I go bring the food. I know that I bring the food. He follow me for back. Now so meet me for gate again. He begin they beat me. Now they say, man, help me. People come gather again. Baba, why they beat this mama like this now? Why they beat this mama like this? People call the owner. Now me and I pick on for her. I go from there to sleep. So when they break and I say, that food when I put for water, it will not soak water. Now I come and tell you the money. I come, I know it, I can't stay for sure. I call they do
This one they happen when?
That is April.
This April of this year?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So now I call they do that fufu for my shop. So small I call say I'm not paying fufu now. So the way fufu I go take roll me for good. I mean not part where people want eat. Now I run a task. I take what I come up with task. I come wear the cloth for shop. I come out the one a day with me. I call they do for me. And I do when I say before I come that money, it don't already load. He put some of them for outside. He put some of them for pan. I'm not talk. Now I call the do for now come. Now you buy this. na him buy that I say take na him kill me I no for on top na him me dey do fufu when I do fufu finish na small time myself come call me mommy where are you I say I don come back as okay if dey come say if dey call am e no pick e come I say e don comot o e don arrange the load e wan go find motor wey wan pay back
Good.
so na my son when my son come with he in-law and a friend they come come so he call the corner he no pick my pikin phone na my pikin friend he come take his phone call am so the man the boy come say he go tell am say be soldier make e for take am na the boy call am baba say he come visit his friend o his friend he come tell am say if they go in mama and him mama place say they dey fight na he follow his friend he come make him come make peace baba come make him make peace he say I'm not coming o I'm not coming o.
How old is your son?
He don dey approach 40 39 now dey 40.
Approach 40. You get a son of 40.
Yeah.
You get daughter of 35.
Sit
come for Israel, you no break my listen. You get last born of 20.
No, last boy is 13 years boy when I born.
Wait, 13 years.
Yes.
But you have another girl of 20 years.
Yes.
So you have 20 years, you have 35 years daughter, and you have almost 40 years man.
Yes.
Is he married now?
My son come marry. He marry get 3 children.
And all of them, they are aware of this matter?
Yes.
Okay, I need to see them.
So now my son come, they say no people. So that friend come call say I be so person, I from so place. He come for peace. Come. He say no they come o. You know they come o. So when they come take, the person say boy no they go. You know say mo well. So then my son say he no will go. Say he sit at all the trouble. Say if his mama die, na him hand, na him go home. He wan see the baba before he go. You know what wahala. You know how go finish. Make they call am again say he dey beat him mama again. So now the boy really come stay. So small time there is 2 people they come. They be one na Ita person, one na our language separate, another village they come.
So wetin now happen? Summarize so that we can hear from you.
So na so the matter be o. He come when my pikin come. My pikin come dey tell am say baba wetin happen na? Anytime when you beat my mom, even though my mom do good or not do good, I used to support you. Why are you doing this? And so begin to abuse my son. Na there my son-in-law he slap am. I no dey talk like.
Who slap am?
My son-in-law, the one my wife is seeing. I come back to them say, "Ma, who send you this?"
Hold on. Your son-in-law, meaning your daughter's husband.
No, my son wife, his brother.
Hold
He
on
got-
first. No say this kind of, I need to arrange my head. Your son wife.
His brother. He follow my son come. I say he dey abuse my son. You be mumu, you be that. Na there the boy say, why you dey talk to my sister husband like that? Then I come to a slap. I come grab the boy say, who sell you? Wetin concern you? Me and my son and the 2 children wey dey as 2 of his daughter, Mercy and Vicky, we hold the boy. I tell him I say I don't like this. I don't send you message. So na so I tell follow the boy. Now the boy not come. I not like him. The boy not come do anything. Now he pass. I tell her I say come. As he dey go. You know the one wey they do before when we do when we dey alagbele, you will run leave me 5 months. Only me go take your thing, you will come back. I say this one, I'm tired. Don't come back again.
The man should not come back.
I tell him not come back. I know what.
He has been running out.
He has been running like that before.
And you have been bringing him back.
No, not be me dey bring. He will come back. Call the bed. Say na devil work. Na say they come.
After you no die.
So now I got to say for this one, I don't want you to come back again. Me I know what I want leave.
Who they pay for the house rent?
This house rent will not be na my pikin get am.
Okay.
Before we part don house my pikin first dey rent am for alagbole before we go there. So now I tell say for this one don't come back again o. I know what I want leave. I no leave alone.
So what now happen?
So now study date na so he can't go. See then me I no find am. I no abuse am. Na so dey take phone dey judge me dey go dey judge me dey go dey judge me dey go. If the thing wey I no do the thing wey I no talk he dey tell him family he dey call my family. Now I tell my family say una no dey Lagos una me know wetin I dey pass na me wear shoe I know where they pay me now I no marry dey I want to stay like this until Jesus call me. So I tell my family. You see herself dey born card dey call me dey beg me. Say be na me dey I say sister I never have this sister marry.
And they beg you make him come back. They beg you make you go back.
He make we settle. That is senior sister.
But now he packed for come on from.
Now they don't make position. Now he pack come out. He tell them say I make position. So now I tell the sister say, now me dey bear am before now. I no fit bear am again. I don old. I say I dey live or drug. Your brother will say they beat me. that or drug you better don't have to the buyer. You will call the big me on top. I not feel Pierre and again. I tell his sister, I say, don't waste your car. I say, I'm not mad another house, man. I will take care of my children. But to God call me. That's why I tell the single sister. She's there, sister not call me. My last month.
Which one happened when you can't report and here now? Which one make I can't report and here now?
Last month, second Sunday of the last month. Let me say first Sunday. So that boy used to go where he park to go live. He used to go sleep for there. So that night, at the toilet, I hear say the last day they talk to the junior and say, even though your man said they cannot beat you today, I must beat you. He buy something 3,000, you spoil and now he go borrow this one. You spoil him again. I must beat you this night at this toilet. When I come, I tell him, he say, what happened? He say, not be your pikin. He don't spoil wetin he go borrow come. The one he buy later, he don't spoil, and I just pay. He must beat him. I say, beat him.
I come back again from where he wrong go.
No, na he pikin at the top now. Wetin make me call report now? Na the judge. So my last boy, na he pikin 13 years boy now. So the boy, he with his sister get issue. His sister say he go beat am. I come tell my pikin, tell the last guy, say wetin happen when they pursue your brother? He say he spoil the things so they not be get he go borrow. He must beat am. Anything when I talk, make am no beat am. Not he must beat am. Na say Viti call down. Where now? He say he don comot. I say this one he don let Viti comot now. I no go fit find am. We go run. You know say if they say ma beat am.
Bring ordinary water from that place for her. Sorry. Just soda. Sorry. Are you feeling hot?
Yes, I got the tongue. My body dey hot.
Inside this AC? Okay, make them bring. No, just use the tissue cover your mouth.
No, they give you.
You drink. Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry, your language. Do.
Yes.
Are you strong to talk?
So
Sorry.
now I can't tell the boy, say, I can't tell the guy, say, you don't pursue your brother now. I'm not feel the fun I'm going to do. So can't reach around tonight. This beginning right there, got the quarrel with the guy, say, you see now, you don't pursue, I'm not going to see it. You know, say if I don't see this speaking, I cannot sleep. So I call the quarrel with the girl. Say you go find my pikin come from you. Now they suffer for. So now one person come. He say, Mommy, what happened? Why are you panicking? I say, no, Victor. He say, the papa will be you. The kids will call they do it. They might kill you. They kill you. I say, me, I don't know. Maybe it go.
So wait now, what now happen?
Now they tell you, now they expect to come.
I don't want you to talk waiting you and people talk again.
Okay.
Just go straight to the point.
Now I say my girl,
my time.
say go where your papa they live. Maybe as you say you want Peter, if he go there, even the papa never come, you wait for him. Go look and if he dead there, me I know. Me I go sleep. Me I know say he dead your papa's side. Now the girl really call go. As the girl go, I call it house. He wants to say, come outside. I call come out. I say for my friends, somebody say come outside. Now I really come outside. I call go one mala house where they are near opposite house. I go stand for there. Now I do my call and say, Mama, maybe these people not come kill you. Your family don't want to talk to you. The way make you die first. I said, I don't know, now let God know. May I look my gate. Somebody they come with us right. I don't know say now. I said, you're coming. Where my picking? Where my picking? You don't lost my picking? I said, I said, who lost your picking? I said, I'm not saying your picking mercy. I'm not falling on top. I said, I'm not saying, now I say, may you sister they find a way sister call you say whether I day with you. I'm not lost your picking. You say you lost your picking? You lost your picking? Now the woman come say, Baba, you want to beat him again? He say, he will beat her, he will kill her, nobody will ask. Now so he begin to beat me. As he beat me, now I be that picture where you see just now, where blood because they rush from my mother, where he wound me for here.
Where you wound you?
The mark today, you don't I don't know what he took from me. Blood, my mother, now so they go call their people again. That people call the husband, the lady na Yoruba. That call say, Baba, come down, what happened? They say Pikin. Now they might say, Oga, even though this one not bring Pikin, I may go find the boy. Now he first all they call with them. Now they call they carry me, they run, they go. They call they say they don't they tell you. If you see this one, maybe they run until you die. If you that children will leave. Now so I can't sit down and cry.
I don't go run test, madness test on him before.
I don't know.
You never run am before.
So now I say, now so I want this man, I say, oh, with this my condition, I dey live or drug. He say they beat me. I say, as they say he will kill me. Nobody will answer. I really see where really they beat me. Not my family, challenger. Now so he will begin to continue to beat me until my enemy they die. Now I say no. I don't feel wait until I die. Make
now
I go. Okay. Now I say me I go meet the government. As it is I don't get anybody. Government will help me. Now they come here.
You don't reach your last bus stop.
Yes.
Let's hear from.
The one I come for here now. I don't want marry again.
Okay.
May let me live in peace. Make himself day on my own. I day my own.
Okay.
But the last boy, since I born a 13 years old, the boy will first suffer me say I not born boy. See the pikin is not class 3. He's class 3 for secondary school. He never pay school fees one day. Na me dey pay. He go call they pay that boy school fees and they wait till the pikin. The rest he grow. If the one need anything for their papa, they will go meet their papa. But that little boy, he will dey pay his school fees. Give am money say they eat food. And then the two pikin when I born, wey he dey judge for heaven and earth. Anything do me do other children. Na he government go home. Na the thing wey I need be that. I don't know another. I'm not for a quarrel. Make it let me get my peace. And I cough.
Okay, let's hear from Mr. Friday. How are you, sir?
Madam, good afternoon.
Afternoon. Okay. You heard everything that your wife said, Abi?
Yes.
Okay, let's hear you out.
Madam, I meet this woman, somebody brought this woman to me. I said, bring it. I said, okay. Yeah, I called him, I said, what happened?
You said?
Yeah, when this, my junior, there's one, my junior brother. When I tell you, I need to do my way, I know, say, you try to wear no one wahala. Another one said, although that guy don't live now. And if you say that guy don't die, but call her. Because okay, she come call her, I say call her, I say okay. I come, I say to my brother don't talk to me. He say yes, I say okay. He say ask me, say whether they have family. Where is my father? I said my father late since 1962. Then he say what of my mother? I say my mother there. I come ask her what of you? Say no father, no mother. I say still shock me. As he shocked me, he say okay, he get 2 children. You hear me, man? As he tells 2 children, I say okay, where are the children? He say they with you. I say okay. After I got there, say now 2 people ain't born the children for. I said what happened? For the first one, when not give married that one. He say the family say the husband want to go school, that man want to go school, he no need them. I say okay. Okay, the second one call, he say that one na thief him be, they carry soldier uniform, they rob.
Our brother.
The second one when born the girl for, when he born the daughter for him.
Okay.
He say na that one na thief him be. Say I call look at okay.
All those stories, because we no go get time for all the story of her na meat. We don't hear the way he tell us na like that na carry meat.
No be like that, no be like that.
Okay, I want to know why you are beating her. That is the major our concern here. How you meet her is not our concern. Whether she don born battalion before you go put her for house, you know say she born too. Whether she born her for mad person or she born her for armed robber or she born her for anybody, whoever she born for, those one no be your children, and you know say she don born before you go carry and put for house. Wetin dey cause problem when you dey beat am wan kill am?
Mommy, can I say something?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then that story now, see, I don't want to explain that story again.
That one no dey important.
The one dey important. I married this woman. This woman, I paid diary for him.
Good.
So nobody that's this one go pay dowry for him family. Now Lagos, not be Lagos, they are for marriage, na for village.
Na him be the cocoa marriage, you know.
I said, no, man, I pay everything. Then the actual thing wey happen, ma. Okay, now when I call this woman for sleep, mommy, you will say, unless I give her money. Before I meet her, the person when I pay dowry for. I said, why? Don't know that you get somebody when with her. They move. One day I just come back.
Okay, hold on. You know, say this office, no be police station. If you talk some things for police, make police leave you go say na husband and wife. Here we know they talk husband and wife like that.
Okay.
If you tell us anything you say now, if you no give us proof, na this officer go still arrest you today.
No problem.
So anything you want to talk, make sure say na truth you wan talk.
Yes, ma'am.
If you say you meet am with man, you go call the name of the man. The matter no dey end today o. Your children, that your children wey be 40 years, whether their sense dey complete o, 35, 20, and they just dey watch you, they wan beat their mother until you kill am because of this matter. We must still visit this matter. So tell us the truth and nothing but the truth.
The truth well and the sense now.
Yes.
You know, make her explain everything.
Tell us, please.
So then, when I record this, I say, you know, I had to say, why the reason that one say, as you know, go the make I no carry me near you. You didn't say anything. It's okay. You don't. I had to go carry go Achago. I go for. So the end of the day, I call later, call her, say, madam. I had to call her, say, madam, this issue. I have to call her, say, madam, why you allow me to go outside? If you allow me to go outside, if I enter outside, now you will suffer and more. You hear me, man? You say you can go. You can go. I say, okay. I leave him. I leave him alone. Then I really get girlfriend.
Which year?
That's a year 2008. I get girlfriend. When I get girlfriend, me and the girl, they move because as you say, make I know the hear am. The next time I can't go call a family. I say what thing this woman they tell me. Now sister they tell me.
But you don't already get girlfriend. Why you can't go call the family again?
I don't tell the family before I can't go. Those woman, that woman is there at the Juduna. I call her and go meet her and say, why you allow? If you allow this man to go outside, now you go suffer. I don't allow you to go outside. Why you will just maybe demand money for the man when you don't pay diary? That one, that one, you know they give that one. If that one, you know they give again. Because they follow that man, that woman, they bother. Even in family. So I had to leave her. I cannot stay alone. I had to carry woman. As I carry woman, I didn't carry the woman, my girlfriend, in my house. Like that. Then you will come meet me for Ikeja, Olo Ikeja.
The woman.
This is my woman. You will come meet me for Olo Ikeja. Say they don't tell us I don't carry woman. They follow me the fight for Olo Ikeja. I look, where is it? Even to the woman come, they call and say, come, what's this? Why this thing happen like this? If you want to do this, come ask. When I settle this matter, you know, okay. So then they come, because of the people, I carry the motor, give the people to work. I follow her to go. When I follow her go house, I come and say, wait till I tell you that time. This is where they do now. You know, say, as you don't let me go outside.
And to continue.
And to continue with that.
That's so.
So you cannot tell, because I don't want wahala. You say no, this and that. I look at. I can't go to Edo State.
Which part of Edo State?
I go to Edegbe. Edegbe land.
Which part of Edo State you come from?
I'm from Mission. So I come to run Edegbe land. As I run Edegbe, he's the one give me the work to do. To go and do that Edegbe work. Anything I do, me and my family every time, we'll sit down and discuss them. They will agree, I carry on, I go. I will never take hungry. The big man boss told my talk and say my children with them. Then if I come back, if I travel, I will buy rice, I will buy this, I will buy this thing. That's why I will call them for beggar. When they come and carry the load. But my mom will feel this beggar now, they will load me and go back. But
I say, driver?
Yes. So now there will come I come to do the work. As I don't do the work, the end of the day, he said they need generator. I had to buy the small generator for them. They bring fuel, they use. So anytime when I tire, I say I no fit go work, they would give me another person to carry my motor. I go rest. After that, when I got say I go rest, I saw a woman.
Now I drink water.
I saw a woman.
You drinking the water.
I saw a woman in my own house. A woman. I saw she got the daughter. He asked her, say, "Now your husband is here." The woman gave me. I said, small time, say, I should give her a drink. I drink, give her.
Which woman?
Your friend.
Okay.
I buy
in
drink.
Your house?
Yes.
Hmm.
I buy drink, give her. When I buy drink, give her. You know, the next thing I come to hear, because they talk, I say, in anything, you can go, because they mention Babalawo, you know, because they mention this, I just people, I don't talk.
In your presence?
Yes.
And they did there?
Yes.
Two of them called, they mention Babalawo?
Yes, man. As they go to talk, after the woman can't go, I had to call this man. I said, who's that woman? He said, I said, no, I don't want that woman. Because the way that woman they talk, it will confuse you now. I don't want. He said, why? He must swallow him. I swear to God, make me. I will not lie. I said, okay. I said, yeah, for me, even if you want to go outside, go meet her, don't come to, let that woman come to my house. Because my spirit don't hold on. It's okay. Small time. She come again. As you come again, I call the woman and say, madam, please, I don't need you to say this. Come and this house again. Don't come and get my wife again. The woman had to turn back. Go.
So what now happened? I said the days you say you beat her. Go point the day I beat her, so the this is what she do. So day I beat her again, this is what she did. Another day I beat her again, this is what she did. That is what we want to hear.
The thing where she do, where she say I beat her.
Yes.
Yeah, I know beat her. One, I will show you, see my teeth now. See my I did have teeth. It's the one with the children. Now they come home and teeth.
Which day?
Now, year 2010.
What happened that day?
Now the children want to talk now.
The point we want to hear.
The children happened that very night. They said that woman. Where I said I don't want to see. Now he with the woman, now he with that woman, they work up. So I said I don't want to see. And at that time she come. I can't call my brother. I say this woman, because he want pass my boundary. So I don't say make you go help me want that woman. Say I don't want to see her here. Now we come we talk. The next thing, when we talk, people in the Ajiwon dey there. When we don't talk finish, he say la. Nobody will tell us say he no will follow a friend. Go. Because he say after all, I never pay dowry for anybody. As he told us, I never pay dowry for anybody. I say, yeah. He said, my man shocked. I constantly had to call my children. My children tell me, say, Daddy, make I go pay dowry for them now. I said, okay. I said, okay, from today, I will pay that money every month. The 3 of them, the one when being born outside. That one, I call that one, I will give her money, 5,000. And my own daughter, I will give her 5,000.
And so now can you put the dowry?
No, I call the same the money. So the money they come call give me the paper. The paper when they come say the money when I get, they don't cover the dowry. Almost 200,000.
And they come. You they pay the dowry to your children?
No. As when they suffer, pay the money where for them. So they help me, they help me they save the money to pay the dowry. So when I don't take the release, both the two of them, my daughter, the senior one, and your own daughter. And
so they can't save the money?
Yes.
Till reach 200,000?
Yes. As the money don't compete, they have to call me say, Daddy, the receipt where they give me, the list where they give me, the money don't over this, I said, okay.
You now went and paid.
Then I had to check where we go. All of us go to village. As we went to village, I go pay the dowry.
Now you make them remove your teeth, because I asked you why did they remove your teeth. Now you leave her, they can't remove your teeth. Or enter how you save money for dowry.
Yes,
at this house you they save the money for dowry, they can't remove your teeth.
No, that time after they don't remove my teeth, now I start to go to pay dowry. They say as you, because as I know get paid dowry.
That's why they
now
remove your
teeth. They go outside.
Okay.
This is what way you talk. Say now make her go outside.
go dey sleep with another man.
No be I don't say go another man that time. So him with his friend they waka dey comot. Tired na night they come care no care for me whether I can eat or not. No food for my stomach. So I will go. The other day will come comot. I come call am say please this matter I don't want this matter to end. Even the daughter wey dey outside country now that one come call me say daddy wetin you go do be say make I don't worry I will say we go do they will go buy the tea for me. So I come gather money go do the tea. See yes one time if I don't take anything small the thing will start like that go leave my teeth like that. So now I go leave am. When his daughter wan marry man when you want to marry they come to me say they want to marry. I say okay. He bring the husband and say want to marry. I say bring the husband and say no problem.
Abeg. 12 na where dey this office, can you pinpoint what this man is saying? Has this man respond to everything from beginning to the end? Everything this woman said. Have this man for once respond to one thing, one allegation on this man here?
Mommy, can I say you know one man I talk now? If you allow me to talk now, say the thing where how the thing happen, you will say make I not talk those one. You know allow me to talk this thing. This is when happen. Let me finish this matter before this while I come. If you don't let me talk this while I don't mind. I know do that 2 times. Because why? Now truth.
No make that kind of comment in my office here. Don't even try it. I'll respect you for your email. I don't think you respect yourself. Don't even tell me they know they died 2 times. Don't repeat that statement
sorry,
again.
Sorry, no. So why I said so much? Don't bet. Sorry. So now this is where it happened that very day. Now March 22 on Sunday. Me with him brother come out. Say we wan go see him brother. They carry small in pikin, you know where this a leg. I come say that pikin leg. You know the be like say man something. This is no need to give the pikin injection. Mo go find where who will help us do this thing. Now we go to him brother place. In the house. So as we just come back, him brother say okay, wetin we do? Mo go find person wey will help am do the leg. I say okay, now we begin to come. So just dey come. Reach the Unity Estate gate. And so he just run come outside for the gate. And that police motor, he park for that junction there. As he park, as he run come, now call him brother say, that will not be your sister. He said, no, not be your sister. I said, you don't know your sister there. Now he called and say, yes, my sister, now you fire motor. As the fire motor, go back. Come go front. As he go for front, he come carry her come up by side motor, making his sister as herself. And I carry wood where I want to do my farm. So for there, as he come out, his sister, his brother come and say, sister, where you go to? They go Lagos? He say no. He say where did they go? He say they go Aribo. He brother say, here no be here Aribo when I want to enter the motor. He say then say he want make he carry her. Only answer. I call her say, do you know that this container get us? If this woman now, this man carry you, come out, we don't even see you. We will know say they go fine. Let's see where you don't know. You want to enter the motor.
Okay, let me help you out. Wetin make you carry cutlass go break iron door? Wetin happen that day?
That cutlass where I carry, madam, God bear my weakness. Is to why call me I deal up upstairs. She called me. He said, Daddy, I said waiting. He said, snake. If I lie, now Ogun will kill me. Snake. And due to where I don't I from upstairs, I see the snake behind that. Listen, I had to run. I killed that snake.
Where the snake dey?
He said, you know, I just want to just say that because of this. Because why? As I killed that snake, the crocodile made that door. He considered that, so don't worry, this thing, if that snake in a enter house, no problem, but they never swear, but I'll find somebody where will wear down for you. So he considered to come out.
He called you for night or daytime?
Na night, madam. You no go believe this one and he tells you.
He called you for night?
Na midnight, man.
Midnight, what time?
Around 9:30.
She was inside.
He want come up for shop. He want to close the shop for the front shop.
And she now shout snake.
So I come follow you to the main gate, come outside, come inside. Now he consider see snake for up. You don't dey come. I dey up, that's why I just see the snake. I had to run down, carry cockass. That cockass, I take and kill that snake. And then we burn and carry and throw it inside the bush. It's still there away. My children they are away.
Your children are
Yes.
aware that is snake.
Yes, Victor they are away. Victor they are away. Yeah, that Victor is 21 years.
Okay. And the Victor is how many years?
Victor now, this December now will complete 14 years.
You have their number.
The phone number. No, Victor get phone number. And Victor never get phone number.
Victor na 13 years.
14 years.
14 years.
December now will complete
No be
14
Victor
years.
they talk
He's
about.
13 years.
No that Victor. No need. We don't need Victor. Who and who dey house that day?
Now my pikin Victor and Victory.
Victor and Victory.
Yes. Now I don't know what they me and those two go there.
So Victory know say na snake you come kill.
She know.
No be their mama you dey pursue with
No, she
knife.
know.
And you na the snake dey the wall.
They do the what? They climb
The snake dey climb that iron door.
Yes. Just they come. From down they come. So
From down they climb up.
they
Abi
climb
from
up.
up they come down.
For up for where that rock hole dey. Na for there come and they come down. So as he to say I say see snake na he run. I come in run come down. I don't carry cutlass. Before I know the snake, you want to come down in the state, take that cutlass cut down. Now me that
But
door.
they come. Na only una dey for that compound. The other people dey dey.
Now only us.
Na una build that house.
Yeah, now he pikin be in the house. Now me repair the house.
He pikin build the house.
Yes.
You come repair am.
Yes. So now as we dey manage, as we dey do am, that's when I don't give that snake na him go come rest. So I no come talk again. The thing wey come bother me, mommy, I will not lie you. This woman, if he can call, he call me the second day. I dey up. He call me say, Daddy, you come, you want see me? I said, what happened? Snake again? He say no. He say no be snake. I be generator off. He say generator off. Now I don't come down. I said I don't come. I said wetin happen? He say make I sit down. I sit down. As I sit down, he say Daddy Victor. I say yes.
Mother, are you sleeping?
I say yes. He say he want to ask me question. If I lie, God will bear my question. He say make I tell you, if I want die, me I no pop over for your children. Make I see money down.
Make you do what?
Say make I see money down. If I want die. So,
If you want that.
yes. Say make I see money down. Make I no cost problem for your pikin. Now I stand up and say, person want die. If they know say person want die, now I get up. As I let go up, I see, which me I say me I sit down. I say me I dey fear this kind matter. Why you will tell me that kind one? Now come out. Me I manage myself come out here. I go sleep.
This one na when?
Now they say that one na April 27.
Which last this last beating now, when was the last time you beat her?
This beat where I beat her. I no beat her, mom. Yeah, I
Why are you shaking up and down? Now sit one place now.
I no beat her. The thing where it happen, where after they carry my load, they throw my load. He say, you don't want to marry. He say, make I carry my load. I say, may I carry my load? He say, yes. I say, okay, let me go meet him. Family, make come see what happen. And there I went to. Before I come back, my daughter, they beat a Messi, is there. So he call him, he don't want me, my daughter, the senior daughter come. He don't want my senior daughter to come. He come call that in boy. That one carry Messi come. I say carry Messi come. The next thing, they not call me unless that one man call me say, I receive my photo. I pick. Hello, he say he be a soldier. I say from where? He say from Yaba. I said Yaba. I said what happened? He say people say I dey beat him, mama. I said okay. Where I did? I say I dey come. I dey somewhere where I dey come. Say if I come, make I come, he go wait. I said no problem. I don't. When you go at the I begin the pack up. Before I just come, now I see some of my friends outside. He call me say, Daddy, this make I never go house. I say wetin happen? He say these children they say they will kill me. They carry bottle. Then I hear say, they carry bottle. Who carry bottle? They say he became with the people where he become. Well, one of them did that. No, na so they end. I say okay. I will run. So we are waiting. I want to do. Waiting I do where I will run. Let me go house now. They say no. They don't tell me already. My load they answer. I say okay.
Who packed the load outside?
My pikin and his son. His son. Elliot. Now I left to wait the load.
Jesus.
Mercy is my pikin, it's my daughter himself too. He get me. Mercy carry Mercy. Now he come back. I can ask Mercy, who throw this man load outside? He say nah. He say nah, his brother. I say okay. No need. I don't say anything. The next thing I do is coming.
Do you have your children's number?
He stay with me.
Provide me all the number. I'll call them. We'll have meeting. From that, they will need to run the proper test.
Now my phone.
My bag, my phone.
Can that be my phone?
Don't worry.
I should show you my where they move me.
Don't worry.
Eh?
Now your phone you won't show abi. Show me now
Where?
your face now. Where did they want to?
The days happen.
Bring the phone. Yeah.
The days happen. When they beat me, the days happen. So I did the people one woman.
Where you they live now?
Me. So I did say I don't go around small one room. When they told my load finish.
Now you don't go rent room abi?
Now that woman I did.
When did you go to that house where they became built for her? When last did you go there?
Me I not go there. Sit there when they told my load.
You no go there?
No.
You never come out from where you live, can't go beat her for where
No.
you became built for her?
No. Like that. Nothing like that. Where this matter, when they deny that boy, that Victor, they call Victor. My Victor called me, say daddy. I say yes, around 7:30. I did work, but my weekend I think they come back. That uncle called me, say daddy, you know see his brother Victor. I say what happened? Why you allow this boy they come up for in the night? He say now in the morning night they come out. I say I didn't even mention you.
They see where it's
Wetin be the name?
This is the victory. Where you say na sneaky key. They not be.
Is that your daughter?
Yes. It's
How old is she?
Now I be 21 years old. Now I be the last girl. I see no daughter.
Let me see.
Oga, sit down, no scatter my camera. I no go use that one do old age for you. We just respect yourself.
I say make I show you.
You sit there and hold it there. What is the name of the other one?
Mercy. You can say I'm Mercy empty. That is all.
You can tell my driver to park it if you don't have strength.
Mercy empty. Let me show you the one day.
My son or my son too.
Let me remember the one they go.
Don't waste my time, please.
Then my son too they go. Then I flash if you go, I will give you that one. Somebody know.
Baba, which time you come out from that house? Which month? Which year you back out from?
Now they told me to that side.
When?
The 22.
Now this number
March.
this early. Hey, it is well. God.
Are you still working?
Me-
Yes.
Yes.
Which office are you working?
No, private, just private.
Private where?
And I like it.
Bring the phone. I'm done with you. Listen. Leave it. Leave it, Oga. Leave it. Answer. Put the phone out. You say you are still working.
I did drive a woman.
Where?
Yeah, I like it.
And Lekki. How did they start? You born a child of 40 years. And you, as a mother, a grandmother, you are sitting down living with a man that is molesting you every day and night. That's your son also lack wisdom. This man must not born that boy for him to behave like a child in the life of both of you. He must not bear the name of Friday as a father. Can you listen to me, woman?
I hear you.
You have your own problem because you don't even want me to talk. If we begin to investigate this matter, the truth must unveil. Your children must not bear his name to behave as a children. Because if you were 20 years and you have been living with this man since 20 years, even when you have not born, and he has been beating you every day, as you are saying, a man can do anything to a woman. You might insult a woman that is within yourself and all that. The highest thing a man can do to a woman that would twist a woman's mind, one, beating the woman. Secondly, sleeping with woman on her matrimonial bed. That is the worst thing a man can do to a woman. Then when you did not live that time, you have children. These children, they grow up even while you and this man have been living together. Until your first child now is 40 years, the second one is 35 years, and I believe another one is even more than 35, because you say they thought you have 5 daughters, 1 boy. You have 5 daughters for him and 1 boy. Plus 2 before, making 7. Making 8. So if your first child is 40, and another one is 30 something, another one is 35, another one is 20 years that is living with you, if that 20 years is even a little matured in thinking, that 20 years is enough to settle this problem. How much more a 40 years person? It's not by beating that they used to correct this man. And before we go into final solution of this matter, I want to see your son, Elliot, the one that is 40 years. I want to see your daughter, the one that is already married. Then the one of, what is her name? The one that is in the house, V3, that have been witnessing the recent one. I want to see these children that can be accessible in your house. I believe the one you born for, which of them is in abroad? Is it the one you born for him? Which country is that one?
They're from New York.
You do for New York, for America. And if they watch you now, say you sit down, you sit here, Abby. You tell your children, say they come here.
Now yesterday I tell them, not today.
Now yesterday you tell them. You tell the one in New York that you are coming to report their stepfather. or his own daughter?
If I tell the daughter, no, will bring me a con. That's what I'm not telling. I used to do tell.
How old is the one that is his daughter?
30-something years.
30-something years. That is the first daughter.
Yes.
Then the other ones are the one you have before you met him. Yes, they have roles to play. If they have not been able to resolve the problem in-house, if they have not been able to sort out the issue within the home, that is the reason why people die. Buckling crisis, keeping violence to yourself. You cannot manage, you can't release where they will manage you, or where they will guide you through, or where they will help you. That is how at the end you see a man kill woman. Say, I just saw her yesterday, she's dead. That is where you watch when the woman have taken to the highest. She will explode. You know, so she have killed the man. No, you don't buckle violence to an extent. When it become a habitual thing, every day, every moment, any slight mistake, beating, any slight talk, hit. When somebody begin to hit you, when a woman begin to hit man at any slight mistake, run for your dear life. Because the person is no more tolerating you. And that thing that is making that person to go out of patience, tolerating the husband, every second you see that the person is hitting. Whatever you keep there, leave that thing and go for your life first. You are talking about you stay. If you are, because you are the type that can hold. What of those that cannot hold it? This man would have been a dead person long ago. It's not with power. You don't use power to kill anybody. It's not how strong your strength is that you can use to kill person. When you hit person at the wrong place, that person is gone forever, and you'll be crying, had I known. Your matured children supposed to have sit you people down, address this issue in a very proper and serious way. What this man is talking up, he's talking down. You go to left, you come to right. You think if I grow up and I will watch my father beating my mother for whatever reason, is it normal? You must ask. Did he have instability of, is there anything that is disturbing this person? You know, when you watch people wearing clothes, dressing okay, you eat food, you wear clothes, you are not pulling clothes on the road, they will still believe you are okay. There are people that have emotional madness that you need to cure them. There are people you need to check them if they are okay, if they are mentally stable. Some other person, something come on them, on and off. So if you don't study the person, when that thing come on the person, okay, if he's talking, let me not talk, or you avoid the person. You want to wage. Okay, start from hand to stick to cutlass. If you escape cutlass today, what if you did not escape tomorrow? There is no duplicate. There is no photocopy. Life does not have photocopy. You don't get duplicate. And now that God has blessed you with children, if you want to live long, if he wants to live long, to enjoy the benefit of his labor, or enjoy his children at old age, we must call spade a spade. It's not by mama don't old, you don't need to beat. You don't need to beat nobody. Anybody can die, not by old age. Domestic violence is the worst thing anybody will ever wish to experience, no matter the enjoyment you are enjoying. Because anything can happen at the slight, under a blink of an eye. Who you are dragging something with is already dead. I did not mean to kill him. I don't mean to kill him. I don't mean to kill her. That is story that is past. So in this office, we don't encourage that. We don't encourage domestic violence. We have zero tolerance for that. Whatever your age, whether old, young, because we have seen so many. We have heard a lot. And it is still better you go out of the marriage and leave than somebody kill you because of what you call marriage. If you live today, nobody will award you. If you die, nobody will give you, oh, you are the hero of the marriage. Come and take, this is the hero. Have you seen where they give somebody hero? Award of hero that you die in marriage? No. They have not given to man. They have not given to woman. So marriage does not worth, nobody, your life is not worth giving out to anything. Don't need to die young because of anything. So your children need to come. We need to address this issue. I cannot say let the man go. Don't come again. Assuming his statement is stable. Assuming he have accurate statements that we can pick 1 + 1. That he will keep lies or try to defend himself with cheap lies. If he has something reasonable to tell us in this office, then we'll know how to address it. Perhaps we'll address it, we'll unfold when we have your children on ground. So we are going to treat it like a family affair. We'll have our children, we'll have his children, both of them will be in the house. Then they tell us how the effort they have put to put an end to this. And if they have no idea on what to do, we will tell them what to do and we'll do it rightly. And let peace reign. We need him alive as much as we need you alive. For both children and for the society. Oga Friday, you heard me. I'm going to call your children.
Yes, ma'am.
We are going to have meeting with you people and your children.
Yes, ma'am.
But all what I want to beg you, you don't know me, I don't know your wife.
Oh, no, ma'am.
And this office, just like I say, anything that have to do with beating of a man, beating of a woman, putting injury on anybody, this office will not accept that one. We can go extra length. We don't care your age. Old people have where they stay in prison. Young people have where they stay in prison. And you are not even old. You are very agile. So if you dey prison now, at least where we need people to farm for us, they will farm very well. You understand me? And we don't pray for any of you to enter prison.
Thank you.
Eh?
Thank you, ma'am.
You say?
I said thank you, madam.
If only you are willing to change. So when your children come, the both children come, please, what we need from you is the truth and nothing but the truth. You understand me?
Okay, ma'am.
There is no smoke without fire. When you wake up in the morning, begin to beat your wife. Even if na madness, we'll go test and whether you dey okay.
Thank you.
But if we can't test say you dey okay, then if you are talking to us, we'll know whether you dey okay or you no dey okay. When you know they talk straight, if you won't go talk for 1900, you leave 1900, come begin the talk of 2025, whenever come, then we'll begin to think otherwise. So what we'll do now, we'll set another date. Today is Wednesday, right?
25.
Today is 21st.
25.
25th.
Yes.
You work on Saturdays.
Yes, ma'am.
Which other day is convenient for you? Because you work for somebody I will not want to be taking.
Only on Sunday, ma'am.
Only on Sunday. No,
Yes,
we don't work on Sunday.
Okay. Only on Sunday. This one I just.
Me, I want to try. I want to try whether on the 3rd or the 4th because my senior sister taking one marry. I will come back on the 6th Sunday.
You say?
I say I want travel.
Mm.
Because my senior sister taking one marry.
Yes. Today now which date? Now 20 what?
They want to do the marriage for December on the 5th.
No, it's still far. This matter will end and this month. I don't even want carry the matter enter December. We have plenty cases where would they look for how we want help people attend. This na matter go end this month November. You want travel December?
December 3rd.
And me I won't go holiday for December. So as now the plan I want travel. Me too I don't even plan how I want rest. So this one now go end for this November. So Mr. Friday, I want to look into Friday this week.
This Friday, madam.
Yes.
Instead to mommy back. Instead to put on that on Friday.
You say?
Instead to put on Friday. Why? Let me. I can take a school for that Saturday. I feel tell I not feel fun.
Saturday.
Yes, ma'am.
That Saturday now we'll go another of our branch. No be here.
Okay. Is it here?
They'll
Okay.
write the address, give you people. You send it to your. They'll send it to your children. So all of you will come that place by.
As anyhow you want, we send on Friday, you have chance, man.
Eh?
You have chance here Friday.
No. Even if not Friday, na another branch na there. So is it Friday or Saturday? Which one? Give me human rights form.
Yes. Help me put on Saturday. That be next week, Abi.
No, this week.
This week. Today's Wednesday.
Yes.
I know some people there. I know they will say I still they complain for.
We will let. If you want us to call your office,
The
we'll
number
call
you're
your.
trying to call.
No, the office now. Not just a little woman.
If you don't want us to call because of trouble, because nobody said won't get this kind of trouble now, won't employ you. So you have to come and settle your family problem as fast as possible. You get me? So you either choose Saturday or you choose Friday. I'm calling the other branch now to ask them the case they have that day. Make I know the time I want to put it. That's what I'm calling. Is it Friday or Saturday? I'm asking you, Oga.
Put it on Saturday.
Saturday.
Hello?
Yeah, Ekene.
Mom.
Your Saturday case start from what time in that branch?
Okay, the Saturday case, week 1 by 11 a.m.
Second one.
Then the second one comes up by 2 p.m. and the last one by 5.
Okay. Your case then one is by 11, Abi.
Yes, ma'am.
The other one is 2.
By 2.
Okay, your case will be 1 o'clock there.
My mom.
1 o'clock in that branch.
Mommy, why no help me put on for 3? Why no help me put on for 3?
You know where you are going. I'm even helping you to go there so that you leave there on time. You are telling me. Give them Shasha address. Their case is 1 o'clock there. I will go and attend to their case on Saturday. And these numbers, invite the children, this number. 1, 2, 3. Invite them for that meeting. I want to see them. That is Saturday, Abi.
Yes.
Okay, so Saturday they will give you the address to Shasha. That is around the Akuonjo. So you go to that place. Where are you coming from? Mowe, Abi. Mowe back from. Yeah.
Where is Shasha now?
You know, since you there for Lagos before they bomb me, you don't know where Shasha is. Where you will be a driver, where they drive international, can't they drive local?
Mommy, where person don't know?
You know Egbeda.
Egbeda. Yes, I know Egbeda.
If they put girlfriend for Egbeda, you not gonna know where it is. You went and they pursue with girlfriend, come Olowu.